Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked Spam fries. So let's get toasting. I had some leftover Spam in my fridge trying to figure out what to do with it, and I saw some people on YouTube making Spam fries with it. So I think I'll try that. You just slice it about like that and then cut it into like fry size strips like that. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I put the oven rack in the middle, and I have this 10-inch cast iron skillet that fits perfectly in there, so I'm going to use that. But if you don't have one, just use your baking tray. It's been about 15 minutes, so let's see how these look. Those look pretty nice. I'm going to get them out of there. Alright, let's see how these turned out. I didn't turn them over. We'll see how the bottom looks here. Oh, it looks real nice and crispy. It's even crispier on the bottom. So anyway, let's try that out. That's pretty good. Salty and crispy. Be good dipped in some mustard. Annie looks a little tired. You have to get up too early, Annie? You want to try a fry, a Spam fry? There you go. Hey, where are you going? Well, she came back for more, so I guess she liked it. What's the matter? Too hot? For some reason, she doesn't want to eat those in front of the camera. So if you like Spam, there's another idea for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.